Hey there, this is Teresa from the White Cat channel. Just making a really quickie. Pretty soon all those zucchinis are going to be in, and I wanted to try something. Is that in focus? I just shredded up a bunch of zucchini, put some onions in the pan to fry, and then put in the zucchini, let those fry together. Put some seasonings, some seasoned ground beef that was already fried from last night, and then I stuck in some Shirataki noodles that I've been experimenting with. Almost done, and should have that recipe posted as well for the oat Shirataki noodles. Well, there you go. Something to do with your zucchini while you're losing weight using the Shirataki noodles. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.